Hi friends, my name is Aditya Doshi. I am studying mechanical engineering in K.G. Somaiya College of Engineering. I am in Kolhapur, enjoying my holidays. I have prepared a small hydraulic jack demonstration model as a part of my interest. So let us see. The arrangement is as seen. It consists of a stool. It consists of two holes, and two syringes are fitted inside these two holes, and the plungers of these syringes are connected to a wooden platform. The platform is simply supported. The two syringes are connected to the distribution lines. Now these are the output syringes, and I am holding input syringes in my hand. These two input syringes are connected in parallel, as we can see, to this node, and this node distributes water via this node and gives it to the output syringes. Now as we can see, the cross-sectional area of the input syringe is almost half of that of the output syringe. This would determine the basic working principle and reason for this very existence of the demonstration model. Cut. Before actually going on for the experiment, let me tell you the basic principle that lies behind the working of the jack. The working medium over here is water, that is the fluid is water. We can use oil as well. It will give even more enhanced performance. Now, the area of this syringe, as I have told, is half of that of the output syringe. So the difference in the area of these two syringes compensates for the pressure distribution. That is, even though I exert a very small pressure, that is force, the pressure gets distributed via distribution lines, and due to the difference between the area, I have shown in the slide how exactly this works. Whatever weight is applied over the plunger over the platform will be lifted. So the basic idea behind this is, for minimum effort on the input side, there should be lifting of as much as heavy weight possible. That is, for instance, if I want to lift a weight of say 5 kg, the effort that I require to lift the weight by my own hand is much greater as compared to this arrangement. That is, I just have to push the plunger of the input syringe, and the rest will be done by the output syringes. So now I have explained the basic principle to you. Let us go on for demonstration with a few weights, that is instruments which I can put over here and that can be lifted. So let us go one by one. Go. To start with, I have put the traditional grinder made up of stone on this platform. The approximate weight goes around 1 kg approximately, maybe a bit more than that. So now let us start. I will start applying, as in pushing the plunger of the input syringe, first input syringe, and we can see the platform is getting lifted a bit. Now I am pushing the second syringe, and the plunger gets even lifted more. Now taking this down. Cut. The second object that I have put on the platform is a steel container filled with water. The approximate weight of this container is around 3 kg, that is 3 times that of the previous weight. To make the lift noticeable, I have placed a wooden ruler, so that you can make out the lift easily. So now I will start. As you can see, the platform is getting lifted. As you can compare on the left, now I am taking the platform down. So basically the difference is, even though the weight that is loaded on the platform is 3 times that of the previous, the effort that I require on this side is the same. That is, with bare minimum effort I can push this plunger, but 3 times that of the previous weight is getting lifted. Okay. Now the third object that has been placed is a wooden box loaded with various hardware instruments, that is hammer, screwdriver, etc. The approximate weight goes around 6 kgs. That is again twice that of the previous weight. Now let us again try to lift this. You can notice the lift on the left side by comparing the ruler. Now I am taking this down. Again, even though the weight that has been loaded on the plunger on the platform is twice that of the previous, the effort that I require to lift is almost the same, and that too negligible in comparison with that if I wanted to lift this particular box with my own hand. Cut. As we saw, by using the hydraulic power, that is the power of the fluid, the potential of this instrument can be focused. That is, we can see hydraulics everywhere, including the car brakes, the hydraulic jack that the mechanics use in our car garages, etc. This particular arrangement gives the demonstration by using some basic means, that is syringes and all, which we can easily get access to. And even this model is quite effective to lift even a car. But let us see the limitations for the arrangement. First of all, the plank that I have used is very thin. So if a heavy load is put on the platform, there are chances that it may get broken. Next is, the plungers of the output syringes are made of fiber, plastic. So there are limitations of how much weight that the plungers can be loaded upon. The next thing is that I got these syringes from a pharmacy shop, and the volume capacity of this is very limited. That is, I have used 2 syringes in parallel, so that the output volume that goes into the syringes is more. If I could have got a big long syringe with same cross-sectional area, the same output lift could have been obtained by using a single syringe only. So now, if you want even more lift, number of syringes in parallel can be connected, more number of syringes can be connected, so that the equivalent volume that goes into the output syringes is more. Otherwise, we can get longer syringes fabricated, or if it is possible, you can get, and more volume can be included inside the output syringes. One more thing, due to the material properties and limitations, the capacity for this arrangement that it can lift is limited. Now one can fabricate a cylinder itself and even a piston, but that arrangement goes quite costly. This is around between 60-70 rupees total cost of this arrangement, and gives effective demonstrations. So I have tried as far as possible to show what hydraulics can do, and I have put in this video application, that is a car brake. Exactly works on the same principle. You can check it out. Thank you.